One of the most important things to keep your Living Oceans Aquarium healthy is to maintain a diverse population of beneficial bacteria. The beneficial bacteria in the aquarium, they break down the waste, break down the detritus and organic waste buildup. Most importantly, they outcompete the nuisance algae, the bad stuff that you don't want in the aquarium. The beneficial bacteria will naturally be in your aquarium, but to really promote their numbers and make sure they outcompete the bad bacteria, we recommend as preventative maintenance to actually dose it to the aquarium on a routine schedule. And for a new aquarium, we recommend dosing it as a preventative measure from the start. So for the first month, while your aquarium's still establishing with the fish and the starter pack of corals, before you add the cleanup crew, we recommend dosing Refresh, the Dr. Tim's Refresh product, day 0, and then each week you put a dose in. It's super simple, 2 caps per small, 3 caps per medium, and 4 cap per large size aquarium. Super easy. But then as your tank's establishing, after the first month, you're able to add the cleanup crew. That's when we recommend switching to Waste Away. It actually has the same dosage as the Refresh, and we recommend forevermore dosing this once a month. Helps to break down the detritus, adds back that beneficial bacteria to outcompete the bad stuff, and there's no harm, only good adding this on a monthly basis. It'll reduce the amount of maintenance your water changes.